Okay. I know whatever you want to say.
Well, we are about to go and get our dog.
We're getting a dog.
And we've decided to either name him one of two things. Billy Nelson Jr. or Russell Jr. And Jr. is not part of the name. It's just
we like the name Junior.
Thought of Junior being attached to it somehow. So
because it's so cute and little.
Yeah. So he'll be Junior until he gets big. But then so Billy or Russell basically.
I think so. Wait, make sure you. I haven't been looking at the camera.
I've been looking at the camera.
I haven't been.
Oh, it's fine. Okay. You're fine. You're looking at the camera now.
Wait, I don't want to be wearing my glasses, but I have a sty.
I have a sty in my eye.
Are you coming with?
I am coming with.
Yes. Let's see the fit.
Wait, did you want to see my fit too? Do you like it?
I love it.
Okay.
What do you want to say to the little guy?
I want to tell him that he has a warm welcome coming and that we really love him even though we haven't met him yet.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at you. Hi there. How's it going? Oh, there's your puppy. Oh my gosh.
Hello. He's so fluffy.
They drove 26 hours straight.
So like disorienting.
So tired.
I think I bet you. There you go. Oh, Leslie. Oh, look at this.
You are mine. You are ours, little guy.
Oh,
hello.
Is that a microphone?
Oh yeah. This isn't me. This is her. I'm not the. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we'll have lots of. Oh, look at his face. Look at his face.
Oh, he's got his little smile.
Oh, look at his face. Who's this person?
He's so little.
Oh, he's so cute. Oh my gosh.
Little tummies.
Oh, he's so excited.
Oh, hello, buddy.
There's something called a football hole, and I think you were doing it.
Look at this little buddy.
Oh, look at his little face.
Buddy. Hi, little buddy. Little munchkin.
My first child, I feel like that's what I would say. This is our first animal child.
Water.
Oh. Charles is sniffing around.
Oh, he's off.
From someone I work with.
I'm a handsome boy.
They were giving me away.
Why were they giving it away?
Yes, he is.
But like it was like a baby.
Oh.
It was like I think they had like.
How come you didn't take it?
Oh, boop.
Oh,
Oh,
hello.
oh. He's got the zoomies.
Oh no.
He's like, I'm out of here.
Where are you going? We got it.
Oh.
Hi, little buddy. I forgot his name for a second. Russell! Come here, little one. Yay.
Dog.
This is his toy. It's a tick.
Tick. It's very Midwestern.
Cheers. Go, Russell.